Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica. In today's video, I'm collabing with Dory's Dollies, and I had reached out to her months ago to do this collab with me, and then I got sick. I got the stomach bug, and then, depression really just makes everything better, right? But I finally whipped together my air elemental. I don't know if she's doing two. I said only pick one, but, she picked air and fire, and I took with that, and so I started off with air. Eventually I'll get around to fire, if she wants to do one or not. I don't know if she's doing it singly, because I don't know if she, understood the email or not. If not, it's fine, it's whatever. But here's my air elemental. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it's what I got. And this is not the first one I tried to make, okay? I did 3 attempts. I don't know where my second attempt is, but here's my first attempt. Well, technically this is my second attempt. My first attempt disappeared. But this is my second attempt. I messed up on the face, so that's why I did not keep it, but the outfit's cute. It's something. But then I came up with this, and then I feel like it's okay, and I went with fabric dolls just because, I can't get in my shed to get with the Barbies that I could customize and stuff. So I made this one, and I think I did a better job on her face. Don't insult the other one. She has feelings, too. Have you ever seen that movie called Ugly Dolls? They all have feelings, okay? Everybody has feelings. Even the animated objects, the ones that are not supposed to have feelings, have feelings. But anyways, here's my air elemental. I wanted to get on my Cricut, and I hadn't done it. I need to. I'm going through the motions, okay? But, air is really hard to replicate, because when I think of air, I think of wind and I think of clouds, but that's not all that air is. Air is everything, and probably every color, even though you can't see it. So I went with this holographic material that I had, and I made a skirt. I glued it to her, and then I used this crushed velvet white for the underskirt. I did a tube, and so I could just glue onto it, and then I used some lace for the arms. I used with what I got, and then I added this embellishment. It's like a little jewel, and I did it to her hairpiece too, because she had a big forehead, and I had stitched on her yarn hair, and it's this white with some light blue kind of shiny yarn into it. It's tassel. Not tassel, damn it, Erica. Tencel! See, I'm just not feeling it, okay? And then I have these teal feathers that I never got around to using, and I use puffy paint for her eyes because I don't know where my regular craft paint is, or at least the white one. And then I use the same yarn for her eyebrows. I just glued them on instead of stitching it. I use this fluffy light blue yarn, for kind of like a headpiece. I feel like it works as a headpiece, and then I added, like I said, those feathers to resemble birds and stuff, and then she's got the bling, because let's just pretend that she's an air goddess, okay? She's going through it, okay? I am. But I think I did a decent job. I mean, that's the back of it. And I did the feathers, and then I just covered it up with the hair. But like I said, I had other ideas in mind, and then the stomach bug, and then constantly wanting to sit on that cold porcelain throne. Yeah, and then depression. Yeah. So crafting has been the less thing on my mind, but this was my collab, this was my idea, and I wanted to do it because, I keep my promises, and I don't back down, and I don't back out, and I do what I can with what I got, and this is what I did, and you know what, I love her. I love them all. And sorry, Dory, that it's not, that I'm running late. I'm really sorry about that. And I'm sorry this video is all over the place. But thank you for collabing with me. Maybe again in the future. I don't know. I know I have one more collab coming up with someone else. And it's just after that, I think I'm done with collabs for a while. Until I can get my head back in the game, But it's going to be a while. So I'll see you all in the next video. And definitely go check out Dory's Dollies. And I'll see you later. Bye.